Welcome to the 11th week of project management. Click on the weekly modules content area and select the Module 11, Chapter 10, Be an Effective Project Manager folder to begin. As always, we start with the learner objectives. Next, we have the assignment summary, which is to review this video, read Chapter 10, review the Chapter 10 PowerPoint presentation, and review the Microsoft Project tutorial videos. Your assignments are the Chapter 10 Smart Book, the risk log for the individual assignment, and the budgeting project for the group assignment. And lastly, we have the Chapter 10 quiz. Next, we have the instructional content, which contains this video, Chapter 10 reading, the Chapter 10 PowerPoint presentation, and the Microsoft Project tutorial videos. Next, we have the Chapter 10 Smart Book assignment. Next, we have the individual assignment risk log. Identifying risk includes gathering information on potential risk. For this assignment, in Step 1, you're going to download the Microsoft Excel Risk Management Log. In Step 2, you're going to identify and enter 3 to 5 risks pertaining to your individual project into the Risk Management Log. In Step 3, you're going to upload your Microsoft Excel Risk Management Log file to the individual assignment risk log link above. Next, we have the group assignment budgeting projects. Keep in mind, you already completed this as your individual assignment last week, so you should be familiar with the criteria of this assignment. It's just in a larger scale. And lastly, we have the Chapter 10 quiz. That concludes the video. As always, please reach out to your instructor if you have any questions or concerns. Have a great week.